I'm like, hey, everyday get him.
Yeah, I know that was random, but a random clip. But yeah, we're on our way to Cunningham Park. I can't say it. My sister can say it, but I can't say it.
Vlog this whole process. Hey, moves.
The fam.
What's up? I can't eat tacos. Hey, get.
Girl, you can't eat anything.
Why you gotta mess up my vlogging experience? Can I vlog in peace? Look at him just staring at me. Like, hey, look. Hey, I was zooming your face. Hey, look. Hey.
Ooh, I'm really sliding on this.
They made me forget. I'm sorry. This is like just a random sporadic like trip.
Why is there one random table with a tablecloth and flowers?
Drugs, ladies and
Just
gentlemen.
really come in here and take your females on a date, y'all.
She looked at John like she about to devour him. Hey, yo, I got that shit.
Oh shit.
Give a little lip
John, don't try to play it off. You know, fuck out of here.
Y'all know that about this show.
Hey, that's the song.
Okay, Johnny.
Hey. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, look, John, like, what the fuck?
What's his?
What she say is what? You pissy bitches. What the fuck is my little sister doing? I don't see all that shit over there. I know that's barbecuing.
Oh, where you wanna go?
Oh, you! I fucking missed it. He just attacked me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Hey, cat. But look at me. Focus.
Never.
They struggling like shit. It's cardio. Hey, imagine.
I'm taking pictures.
Huh? Gang, gang. No, imagine. We walked all the way from back there to here with my homie.
Oh no.
Yeah. It was nice though. Show the ass can do it, I can do it. It's like, no.
Exactly.
Hey, you feisty though. Look at these niggas.
Sound like you're dying.
I'm so out of shape.
Hey.
I am cool. Where do you think this came from? It didn't come by itself.
She said it ain't come by itself.
Exactly.
On the motherfucking hike.
Exactly.
Look at these little motherfuckers.
Go into and shake.
Nope.
And Johnny over here dying though.
Hey, right?
I'm skinny. I can't.
It's just you can't run. We made it, guys. As you saw last time, it wasn't this pack. It was just me and another person. Yo, them niggas really do go up there. Right there. She's contemplating people. She's thinking about it. She's getting pictures first. Photography comes first. What the fuck is this little kid doing? I think Pat had decided no. So they're not prepared to go up the cliff? What?
Not at all. Not at all.
He has sneakers.
I have sneakers. I'm ready for anything.
He's ready for anything. What?
Gang, gang.
What the fuck? What the fuck is she doing? Oh! Hey, what the?
See, that was instant karma.
How she just trip over nothing? Oh, what's in there? There's a ladybug. King of the world. I didn't even see that. Oh, look, it's blood adjacent.
Oh, stop. Kill.
Where's the hot chicks at? There go one right there. Nah, she jailbait. Fuck out of here.
Oh my
Fuck out of here. You can't tell these days. What? Look. Look, what the hell does she got on? Look, what is this?
Shut up. My church shoes. Like, nah.
This mobile. My little sister hurt, y'all. What is that? What the hell is that? You fucking cockhead. Oh, look, it's a Mopar, ladies and gentlemen. Stay clear, they like to hit people. Just the weird shit.
Just the weird shit. You want me to stop?
Can you see? Hey, look, I came prepared. I got everything. Look at this wrong cord. Like that. Wait a second, where's it comes at? These little tiny ass things, bro. You don't know, somebody could have touched it. Hey, fuck off.
Don't you hate when you get screenshot?
Something's happening, people. Look at this fucking Porsche. That's what it's supposed to be called, I heard. Look at it's an old white dude. I can see you, motherfucker. Yo!
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.